Guys, if your mouse is doing fast movement, right, it's if it is very fast, so you need to reduce using this DPI settings, for example. So I just checked my mouse manual. So this is the button, I need to press it. So you can check in the same way if you're using any other mouses. So first I'm going to turn it off by holding the center button. Okay, it's turned off. The light is turned off, RGB. So if it is 1200, right, I can see this single mouse. So single press. Now I'm going to change this. I'm going to check the difference. I'm just moving the mouse. You can see now this is 1200 DPI. So again, now if I press the second, right, now it's changed to 1800 DPI. You can see this in this mouse, right? When I move, you can see this. That is two mouse you can see. See? Now this is 1800. Okay. Now again I'm going to press this center button. Okay. Now it's changed to 2400. If you're performing, if you're playing, see? This one you can reduce it. Okay, it's clicking somewhere also, it's very fast. So now you can see this. See, you can see triple times. So now I'm going to change this to 4. To change this 300 TPI, I'm going to press one more time. This time it will be very fast. See guys. So now I'm going to keep it 1200, the basic one, because it's very fast. Yeah, this one is very smooth. So this is the way you can fix the issue, okay, on your mouse movement with these DPI settings. That's it, friends. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much. Bye. Take care, friends.